I might, and I like to absolutely ruin my entire video by using eyeliner. Hello YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm gonna do my makeup. Someone commented on one of my, I think it was the Glossier for like acne prone skin, and I got a lot of really great suggestions on that video because I was talking about how I had yet to find a BB cream or like light coverage product that covered what I needed to cover without being too much, like too intense. As somebody with acne scarring and hyperpigmentation, I want to cover that up, but I don't want to be like full face all the time. Someone suggested this. This is the MISSHA Perfect Cover BB Cream. You get this on fucking Amazon, dude, for like $7 or $8, okay? And yes, fuck Amazon, fuck Jeff Bezos. Like, I get it, but let's not blame the consumer, maybe. Let's blame like the people doing the dirty. Don't hate the player, hate the game. I've just like never really understood why we're not blaming like the companies in charge of polluting and undermining other businesses. Why don't we put them at the forefront of the issue? So that's my spiel on that. Let's get into the video. I'm gonna use the Cicapair Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. I love this stuff. So then I'm gonna just prime a little bit more with my Glossier Future Dew. So let's get into this product. $8 fucking on Amazon. The MISSHA Perfect Cover BB Cream. This is like what it says. MISSHA Perfect Cover BB Cream innovatively pairs makeup and skincare with a BB cream that helps brighten skin tone, care wrinkles, prevent signs of aging, and heal blemishes while providing excellent coverage. That sounds fucking amazing, right? Yeah, so it's SPF 42. Mine is in the shade number 21 light beige, and it's made in Korea. So like they know what the fuck they're doing over there. I am gonna take one pump of this and I'm just gonna start dotting this on my skin, and then I'm gonna rub it with my fingers. And I mean, you can already see, look at that, just beautiful. It's light and it feels so light on the skin too. It smells good, but it's not like a fragrancy smell, like an overpowering. It reminds me of, not in a bad way though, but kind of like grandma perfume, if that makes any sense. You'll understand if you get it or if you have it already. But my skin is like a little bit on the drier side. This doesn't pick up on any of my dry patches. It just blends in like a dream on my skin. Oh my God. Every time I use it, I'm just like, this looks so good. So I then am gonna go in and just put this on places that I have redness, blemishes, which is everywhere. My skin is actually pretty sensitive, so when I try out new products, it oftentimes I'll like, you know, break out here and there, but it's like manageable. This actually didn't break me out at all when I first tried it, which is a really good sign for me that the product is good. To compare, I also in previous videos have talked about the It Cosmetics CC cream. This is very, very full coverage, and I don't want that all the time, you know? And so this is, one, it's fucking a million times cheaper, and two, it's better for me, at least for a day-to-day kind of thing. You know what I mean? Like sometimes when you put on a product and it's too full coverage, you feel like a beach ball. Like I just feel like in your face, I just feel like everyone can tell. Not that I care, but I don't want that much all the time. Oh, guys, like just look at that nice little bit of coverage. And yeah, I still have things showing through, but I like that my skin can breathe, if that makes any sense. Let's put some more on top. So I'm gonna go in with another pump of this. And this time I'm actually gonna do a beauty blender and blend it out. I don't know, it just makes me feel really pretty and like naturally pretty, not like pretty with a lot of makeup on. You know, and those are two different and both good feelings to have and feel. I'm gonna finish like the rest of my face for the sake of this video, but I highly recommend that BB cream. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm just gonna go over areas that I wanna cover a little more. So I'm gonna use a little bit of loose powder. For my eyebrows, surprise, surprise, the Glossier Boy Brow is what I'll be fucking using. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of cream highlighter. This is the Chanel multi-use top coat. I know my nails are absolutely fucking atrocious, but it's no news here that I am far from perfect, so I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna warm up my face with the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Oldie but a goodie, if you will. Okay, then I'm gonna take the Glossier Cloud Paint. Glossier, would you like to make me a representative of your brand? I would represent it very well. Oh, I just feel gorgeous. My God. I got this purple eyeliner from NYX, or well, it's from Ulta, but it's by NYX. I'm gonna maybe ruin my whole face or maybe do something cool. We will see. Why did I have to do that? I just couldn't fucking tell you. I don't know. Hi, I'm Maya, and I like to absolutely ruin my entire video by fucking using eyeliner. Well, anyways, the whole point of this video was the skin and the BB cream. So like, you get the idea, right? Like it's very good. I'm gonna put on mascara and lip gloss, and then we will be back. Don't pay attention to the eyeliner. I don't know what I did. I don't know what came over me. The big idea here is this is $8, okay? It is my, right now, favorite BB cream, so. Okay, so that's all that I have to say. That's the video. If you liked it, subscribe. If you didn't, then you're probably not still watching. So, and if you are, then you need to reevaluate why you're still watching a video that you didn't like. So thank you so much for watching. I'm super sorry I got this intense feeling that I needed to put this eyeliner on, but not in a way that people normally put eyeliner on. I just don't know why that happened. But other than that, you guys, if you're looking for a lighter coverage for your acne, this stuff from Amazon, $8. It'll be linked below. And then everything else too that I used, I guess I'll link, because why not? Thank you for your support and your kind words and your comments, you guys. Like, they're really, really nice. Just like the overwhelming positivity and support that I've gotten, and just like how nice people have been. Like, they think it's so cool. Like, oh my God, you're showing your acne on camera, which for me, like, this is my face. And it happens to have some stuff on it right now, but like, that's fine, right? It's really cool to just see people be like, this helps me and puts me in such a good mood, because that's really all I want. Why else would I be doing this? It's not like I'm trying to like show off my killer makeup skills. I'm not a makeup artist, but I just like makeup and I like to put stuff on my face, and it's fun and it's therapeutic. It makes me happy. It gives me something to fucking do in the middle of a pandemonium. Pickle. We're in a pickle. Yeah, again, thank you for your support and your kind words. They really like get me through my days. Sometimes I'll just like go and read things that people have said that are nice about me, and I'm just like, oh, like, thank you. Thank you. Actually, you guys, I'm like liking this. Like, I don't mind it. I don't hate it. I don't hate this eyeliner. Blah, 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 blah. I'm gonna stop the camera now. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd really, really, really appreciate it. Also, follow me on Instagram, which has been up in one of those 4 corners this whole time. I'll see you bitches in my next video. Again, stay safe, meditate, do some breath work, and try not to read the news, but also stay aware and updated on what's going on, because it's important, but it's not as important as keeping yourself centered and sane. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.